Atlas Transit Solutions is three products. It's Atlas Retro, which is a digital upgrade to existing bus stops. It's the Atlas consumer app that allows you to book transportation from one platform. And then there's Atlas the Transit Hub. Atlas Retro is a digital upgrade to existing bus stops, and it's a great introduction to smart infrastructure and smart cities initiatives.
You're looking at the Atlas Retro. It is a way for us to monitor the demand, to increase the demand for public transportation, and then to utilize the technologies that are available now to respond to that real time and to be able to anticipate as well.
The Atlas Retro has two screens. It has the real-time bus information, and then it pays for itself with the revenue-generating advertising screens.
To engage the community, we introduced the Neighborhood Bus Stop Makeover Art Competition. We invited local students to participate, and we had first place, second place, and third place winners, also an honorable mention.
As a mother of a young toddler, the Smart Bus Stop really excites me because it gives me an opportunity to know exactly where I'm going without having to take too much focus off of my young child.
But the part I really love most, if I'm out here by myself and my husband's home waiting for me, I know I can look on my phone. I have free Wi-Fi, there's light for safety. And I mean, it just changes the whole bus riding experience for me.
There's a charging station right there, complete with data blockers. So I don't have to worry about any viruses or any malware getting onto any device I'm charging up there. And the best part is, it's all solar powered. And that's amazing.
I'm a former Uber rider. But now, because of the Smart Bus Stop, I'm going to take the Prince George's County bus. It's more efficient and it's cheaper. Thank you, Prince George's County, for considering the community.
Prince George's County have really stepped up again on making commuting easy for people.
Atlas Retro increases public transit ridership and brings dignity to the commuter.